Hello. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a model I designed recently, a Wyvern, which here is one I made earlier. It's a fairly simple model. You can make it out of 15cm paper and any paper will work, but this one is made out of Locta. And today I will be using red tissue foil, so this is the coloured side, this is the white side. Okay, let's start. So first of all, we will be folding up to a square base. So fold side to side. Unfold, fold the other side to side. And once we have this, we fold the corner to the center. And making sure to keep the layers together so that this corner does not fall apart. So we have that, we turn over and fold the other corner to the center. Once we have this, we can simply look at the bottom, look for the middle opening, and open this, and this will collapse nicely down into a square base. So, now, we do the folds for a bird base, but instead of petal folding up, we just do the inside reverse folds. So let us do those now. From the open side down, we fold the side to the middle in an angle bisector. Likewise with the other side. And then the inside reverse folds. But we do not fold up, we keep it down. Turn over to the other side and repeat the steps as before. So, angle bisectors to the middle, being careful to be accurate, and inside reverse fold. Set that done. We have a bird base, but without the petals folded up. Now we take one side and fold the flap up. Only on one side. Then we turn over and we fold this corner down. So, once we have that, crease from the tip here to the bottom to the tip of this corner. And then we fold angle bisectors here and here. And finally, we rabbit fold. So, close together. Straight flatten out to the tip and push to one side. Like so. Now, this gets mounted folded along the base crease, and now we fold in half in a valley fold. Bear in mind, that this part here will be very thick. So if you're using a thicker paper, pay attention that it does not tear. So, half, carefully, and flatten. Careful to flatten the tip neatly, as sometimes it doesn't like to be neat. And there we go. We've got 2 flaps here, 1 flap here, and we've got this here, which will be our head. Now, we want to, the top layer of paper here, we want to free that. It is currently trapped under here. So we unfold slightly, and pull and slide the paper out. Same on the other side. This is a head design that you can find on several of Joe Nakashima's folds. So once we have this, make sure everything's nice and flat, and along this bottom line, fold down and crease. Fold an angle bisector between here and here. Crease and unfold. Now we want to crimp this down, so open the front like this, valley fold the base creases down, and now from the top we want to valley fold these creases such that the head will crimp down like this. Now that we have that, you'll notice, and allow me to first of all just neaten my folds, you'll notice a crease that runs along here. We want to valley fold the tip back along that crease, and you can see that this part of the paper, which doesn't want to lie flat initially, will want to fold upwards, like so. I'll do the same on the other side. So at the existing crease, fold back, and this bit of paper will want to fold up, like so. If it doesn't, push it down a bit, give it a bit of encouragement, but it should want to flatten down into this shape here. Now, fold the inside, reverse fold the tip inside, hence inside reverse fold. Okay, good. This fold can be anywhere, it depends on your personal preferences. So, now, behind this flap, we see there is a corner. There is a corner here. We want to valley fold this layer along that line. Now, when we do this, the paper will not lie flat, but it will when we do the other side as well. So, the corner here, along the crease below, and you can flatten the paper down, and this will angle the head downwards. So now let's do the wings. This flap, fold it across and back. There should already be a crease, so it's just to reinforce the crease. Now, angle bisector, we'll be using this as the corner reference. Here, here, angle bisector, valley fold. There are a few layers here. Now, angle bisect from here to here, valley fold. Try to keep the layers as together as you can. Now, fold the whole flap across and angle bisector here to here, valley fold. Do the same on the other side. So, reinforce the crease first a little, then angle bisect from here to here. angle bisect from here to here. Fold across and angle bisect from here to here. Okay, now I can pull these out slightly and you'll see that the wings are beginning to form. But if we look at our reference model, you see I like to do a bit of shaping on the wings by squash folding down backwards. So let us do so here. We want to open the pocket here whilst pushing down on the top. So when we do so, make sure to flatten against the tip, and then want to essentially just rotate the layer backwards. And can you see this is doing a squash fold? So I like to align this back layer here with the front. Although, if you like it at a different angle, feel free to. This is all shaping. Once you have this, repeat it on the other side. So again, there's a pocket, and want to open, push flat, and reverse fold backwards, and making sure the layers below line up so that it's similar to the other wing. Okay, now for the tail. We want to, first of all, do a crimp, which is roughly here to here. This will be crimped, so valley, mountain. Now, for our valley fold, our outside reverse fold, we want to make sure it lines up with this layer beneath. So, I'm going to do it from the underside. And first I'll push it out and align the layers. Then, on this side, okay, and now we want to outside reverse fold again, starting from this point and angled slightly shallower. So I pushed it out. And the easiest way to do the next fold is just to swivel the paper like this, holding it at the corner. And then when you start flattening it down, you can see that it naturally falls into place. So crease there. Now finally for the tail, we want to outside reverse fold around here. This is a shaping fold with no reference point. So anywhere that you'd like will do. But take into account that the model should sit like this. So I'd say somewhere around here. Now, once you have that, there are a few final finishing touches. So, the horns should get pinched. So on the other side, the horn should get pinched. Then the front should also get pinched, so you have a bit more of a three-dimensional shape. So pinch like so on both sides, as symmetrically as possible. And what we can do then is shape the front by the tip of the wings into little paws, like how a wyvern looks. So align, then arrange your model into the final desired pose. There we have a Wyvern. As a final note, you will be able to find these diagrams for this model. If you are a member of the British Origami Society, you will find it in the April magazine of this year.